This Southwest Realty property video is presented by Barry Levine. This extremely well-maintained 3-bed/2-bath home in central Rio Rancho with $60,000 plus recent upgrades has a view of the Sandias that must be seen to be believed, and it sits on almost a 1/3 acre lot for gardening, entertaining, or relaxing. Recent updates, 2022, include newer roof, larger furnace, solar system, and refrigerator. Air cellars also installed at LG. Patio door which leads to a recently covered patio and a large backyard waiting for your green thumb. An 8 Diam swimming pool is present, or seller will remove it if desired. Home inspector in 2022 confirmed poly piping was replaced with copper and PEX, and passed city inspector in 2016. 2-year-old solar panels to be paid off at closing. Electric bills are only $5 to $20 per month. Ceiling fans and newer refrigerator. Air provide great summer heat relief. For more information